BLT without the B.
You could do a BTT,
I'm doing
a
L.
bread, turkey, lettuce,
Oh,
tomato.
they probably have a turkey sandwich. Let me see. Where is it?
Handhelds,
Oh, handheld.
grilled chicken.
They only have grilled chicken, huh? They don't have a turkey. Turkey would have been so good. BLT.
Right.
Grilled chicken probably good.
Mm-hmm.
All the fixings, lettuce, tomatoes, onions, and dressing. Two pancakes, fluffy pancakes, golden brown perfection. That's it.
That's what you want, yeah.
No. I think I want the grilled chicken sandwich, but only half of it. You want to eat the other half?
Mhm.
Cool.
Yes, Mom.
You want to know why we so hungry?
Right.
Because we ain't spent $30 or more.
Right.
That wasn't $30. It was like 20.
That's good. $20 for 2 meals.
Yeah, that's winning.
That's a budget. For the people that need a budget, that's perfect for the budget. You know what I mean? You're giving the budget people a place to go where they're not going to break their pockets and look embarrassed.
Exactly.
But would it be embarrassing you trying to get some stuff and you only got Dove or something? You know what I mean? Like you the less fortunate and only have Dove for the meal. Right? There's people out there like her. I gave her some money for her pancakes.
You did?
Mm-hmm.
That's nice.
And guess what? It was just $1 and it made a big difference for her.
That's really nice.
I left it right here on the couch. Since I left you $1.
Oh,
She was like, thank you. I'm like, here, you smoke weed? Here, take this bud.
it's cold. Your hands is cold. You gonna put the
You
baby
gotta, whatever
hands
you
in
can
the
do to get back is great.
Put the baby hands in the mittens.
You like, give me some, Dada. So he cannot chew. I was messing with him. He can chew though.
He can. I see him chewing.
But to do
You
things,
still gotta be careful. Yeah. Exactly. Want free fries? Scan the QR code. Oh no, it says get a free side when you join Nations Rewards.
oh, so you better join. You know what's heckin' crazy? All these places got rewards because when you go here, you get something free.
They got ice cream sundaes here. I never knew that.
Yeah, they do. This is the original place for ice cream sundaes.
They got a la mode.
Blueberry ice cream sundae a la mode
Where the blueberry at?
cheesecake up there, cherry cheesecake.
Oh, cherry blueberry. Traditional plain.
And then our famous pies, apple. No sugar added.
I was
apple.
just about to say they have a
No
sugar-free pie.
Mm-hmm.
I seen it online and I was like so like amazed. So I was like, oh my god.
Oh,
I'm like, oh my god, they have a
yes.
sugar-free pie.
Right. That was so adorable. You want more?
His little hands is cold. That's why I closed it.
You close them. They icy. Thank you for the beautiful food and stuff. It was so delicious. Thank you.
Yeah.
We appreciate you. This is our favorite spot in our neighborhood. She's so nice. Even if she mess up, she'll be nice.
Got Kelly. Got Kelly.
Oh, I
Got
forgot to give her
Kelly.
a bite.
Got Kelly. Got Kelly. Got Kelly. Say yay. Say yay, mommy. Yay, mommy.
She's so adorable.